In the quiet of the night, as you drift into deep sleep, your liver begins its most critical shift of the entire day. From 1 a.m. to 3 a.m., a golden window opens where your body's natural detox enzymes work at their absolute peak performance. For those over 50, this specific time frame is the only chance to rejuvenate aging liver cells and restore your long-term vital health. During these 3 hours, your liver processes every toxin, preparing your body for a fresh start when the morning sun finally rises. I am Dr. Thomas Reed, and today we explore 7 golden drinks that can trigger deep cellular regeneration while you rest tonight. Understanding this internal rhythm is the first step to reversing years of toxic accumulation and supporting your liver's natural healing power. This is the golden hour of the liver. If you support it correctly, your body can achieve wonders in metabolic and cellular repair. As we age, these repair mechanisms slow down, making the choice of nighttime beverages more important than ever for our overall longevity. Your liver doesn't just filter blood. It manages energy, produces bile, and stores essential vitamins while your mind is completely at rest. To activate this regeneration, we look to nature's most potent herbs, specifically selected for their deep cleansing and protective biological properties. Let us begin with the first group of powerful herbal allies that specialize in deep tissue purification for the aging human liver. First, we introduce artichoke tea. This ancient remedy contains cynarin, a compound that stimulates bile production and accelerates the detoxification process. By increasing bile flow, artichoke helps the liver flush out waste products that have accumulated throughout the busy hours of your day. Cynarin and silymarin work together as a protective shield, ensuring that your liver cells remain resilient against the threats of modern toxins. Next is dandelion root tea. Far from being a common weed, this root is a powerful botanical cleanser for the entire hepatic system. It helps decongest the liver, allowing for smoother blood flow and more efficient filtering of fats and alcohol from the circulatory system. For those over 50, maintaining efficient bile flow is essential for preventing the formation of gallstones and supporting healthy systemic digestion. Thirdly, we have the golden spice turmeric. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is a world-class anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse for the body. Curcumin doesn't just fight inflammation. It actually helps the liver regenerate damaged tissue by protecting it from harmful free radical molecules. Drinking turmeric before bed creates a healing environment that allows the liver to focus entirely on repair rather than fighting chronic inflammation. This trio of artichoke, dandelion, and turmeric forms a foundation for deep liver cleansing that most adults over 50 desperately need today. Each drink targets a different aspect of liver function, from bile production to cellular protection, ensuring a comprehensive nightly internal detox routine. By reducing the heat of inflammation, these herbs allow the liver's metabolic furnace to operate at its most efficient level for rejuvenation. These ingredients are easily found and simple to prepare, making them an accessible ritual for anyone committed to their health journey. As you sip these before bed, you are essentially sending a team of biological repair workers to your most vital internal organs. Consistency is key. Regular nightly consumption helps maintain a clean internal environment, preventing the buildup of harmful metabolic waste products. Artichoke tea is particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their cholesterol levels naturally while supporting their liver's primary functions. Dandelion root acts as a gentle diuretic, helping the kidneys assist the liver in removing excess water and toxins from the body. Remember to add a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric tea. It increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. The goal is a long, vibrant life, and it all starts with the health of the organ that manages your body's entire internal chemistry. Now we move from the herbal cleansers to the power of enzymes and the sophisticated science of cellular DNA repair. Number 4 is simple yet profound: warm lemon water. While it seems basic, its effect on liver enzyme production is scientifically remarkable. Citric acid stimulates the liver to produce more enzymes than any other food, acting as a catalyst for the entire detoxification cycle. Specifically, it triggers the cytochrome P450 system, the liver's primary machinery for neutralizing toxins during your sleep. Drinking this warm beverage before bed prepares your liver to work with maximum efficiency, ensuring no toxin goes unprocessed during the night.
The fifth golden drink is Schisandra berry tea.
Known in Eastern medicine as the five-flavor berry, it is a legendary liver adaptogen. Schisandra contains compounds called lignans that protect the liver by stimulating enzymes that increase antioxidant activity and cellular repair. It actually helps repair liver tissue damaged by alcohol, medications, or viral hepatitis at a molecular level, strengthening the organ's structural integrity. For seniors, Schisandra is vital because it helps maintain the liver's size and function, which naturally tend to decline as the decades pass. This combination of lemon and Schisandra provides the chemical tools your liver needs to rebuild itself while you are lost in dreams. It boosts glutathione levels, your body's most powerful internal antioxidant, ensuring that every cell is cleaned of metabolic rust and decay. The simplicity of warm lemon water makes it the perfect nightly habit for anyone looking to support their biological health without complexity. Schisandra berries offer a complex flavor profile that hints at the deep, multi-layered healing they provide to your internal biological systems. Vitamin C from the lemon also aids in the production of collagen, which is essential for the structural health of your liver's veins. Imagine your liver being polished from the inside out, removing the grime of daily life and restoring its original youthful vitality. When these enzymes are at their peak, having the right nutrients available in your system can double the rate of cellular detoxification. Hydration combined with enzymatic support is the secret formula for waking up feeling refreshed, light, and full of natural energy. This berry is a true gift from nature, bridging the gap between ancient herbal knowledge and modern nutritional science for aging adults. As we continue, we will explore how calming the nervous system is the final piece of the liver regeneration puzzle. A stressed body cannot heal. That is why our next group of drinks focuses on the critical bridge between sleep and liver function. When your mind is calm, your liver is free to use all its energy for the complex tasks of filtration and repair. Now let us discover the final two drinks that soothe the spirit and protect the physical body from harm. Number 6 is peppermint tea. Known for its cooling effect, it relaxes the smooth muscles of the digestive tract and improves bile flow. The menthol in peppermint helps the liver by reducing congestion and supporting the healthy movement of fluids throughout the entire abdominal cavity. By calming the digestive system, peppermint ensures that the liver isn't interrupted by gas, bloating, or discomfort during the critical midnight hours. 7th is chamomile tea. While famous for sleep, its high antioxidant content specifically helps protect the liver from chemical-induced damage. Chamomile contains apigenin, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and relaxes the hepatic nerves, allowing for deeper detoxification and metabolic rest. When combined with a consistent sleep schedule, chamomile helps synchronize your liver's clock with your brain's sleep-wake cycle for maximum benefit. However, for those over 50, we must address some vital safety warnings regarding these powerful natural remedies and your health. Many herbal teas like Dandelion Root can significantly alter your body's levels of potassium and sodium, which are critical for heart health. If you have any history of kidney disease or are currently on dialysis, you must be extremely careful with these botanical infusions. Always consult with your primary healthcare provider before adding these to your nightly routine to ensure they don't interfere with your medications. Certain herbs can change how your liver processes prescription drugs, either making them less effective or dangerously increasing their potency in your blood. Your health is a collaboration between nature and medicine. Use these drinks as a supplement to professional care, not as a replacement. Moderation is the key to longevity. Start with one drink at a time and see how your body responds to the change. By respecting both your liver and your kidneys, you create a balanced internal ecosystem that can support you for many years. Never exceed the recommended amounts, and listen to your body's signals of comfort or distress as you begin this new journey. Now that we have covered the science and the safety, let's bring everything together into a perfect nightly ritual for you. The ritual of preparing a warm drink is as much for your mind as it is for your physical liver health. As you dim the lights, let the aroma of the herbs signal to your body that the time for healing has finally arrived. 7 golden drinks. 7 ways to say thank you to the liver that has served you faithfully for over half a century. Waking up with a clear mind and a vibrant body is not a miracle.
It is the result of working with your biology.
I hope these insights help you reclaim the energy and health you deserve. Your liver is ready to heal. It just needs your support.
Incorporate these rituals tonight and feel the difference that deep cellular regeneration can make in your life starting tomorrow morning.
Thank you for watching. May your sleep be deep and your health be ever renewing. Wishing you a peaceful and very healthy night.